All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect boneless turkey breast, you guys. The methods that I have are really simple and easy, but the way you do it is to make sure you have a juicy, non, you know what I'm saying, dry turkey. Because most of the time when you do a turkey, you're always worried about, a turkey always being dry. But the method I'm gonna show you how to do is gonna be foolproof. All right, you guys, so let's get into the seasoning. All right, so we're gonna get ready to make the seasoning for this turkey breast. What I'm gonna first use is, this is gonna be an SPG, but it's gonna be a S.P.G.O. So I'm gonna let you know what that's gonna be. So this is my favorite seasoning that I created myself. So, that's my secret ingredient, which, what I'm saying, you can just use, what I'm saying, a half a cup of salt. So that was a half a cup of my special seasoning, but you can do a half a cup of sea salt or, what I'm saying, kosher salt. Next, you wanna have 1/4 cup of black pepper. Of course, black pepper is always preferable. Next, you want to have 1/4 cup of garlic powder. So this is granulated. Next, after that, this is what the S.P.G.O is going to be. Is you want to have 1/4 cup of onion powder. All right, you guys. So that's it. Mix up your seasoning. Make sure you mix it up well. That's what we're doing right now. So just mix it up. So stir it up, get it with a spoon, a fork, or something like that. Or you can put it in the dispenser and shake it up, or a jar or something like that, and make sure it's evenly, all your seasonings are evenly. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna pour it in. Now make sure you have a bottle that's big enough to fit all the seasoning in, because you might have one that's too small, and you can't fit all what you season put in. So this is probably like a 16 ounce, maybe 18 ounce bottle, and that's all you need, guys. So let's get this turkey over here, and we're gonna get the seasoning. I'm gonna use a binder. Some people use a binder. It's when I washed it, you know what I'm saying, to clean it off, it was still moist enough. So, you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna season it. And make sure you season it generously. You season it all the way over. All right, we're gonna flip it over. Make sure, the reason why I'm packing it in there so it can all stay on. So make sure you season the sides. I'm gonna flip it on the bottom and season the bottom up. Now, just make sure you season it evenly. Like I said, you gotta remember, this is not a lot of salt. This is mostly a lot of herbs and seasonings, you know what I'm saying, but not really salt-based, real flavorful. All right, you guys, so the smoker's out there getting ready to put this on. So, and I'm gonna actually be using an INKBIRD Pro, you guys, to make sure we keep a perfect temp inside here. So let's get out there and put this on the smoker. All right, so the smoker, what I'm saying, is already up at temp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick the thermometer in there. Now, mind you, we're not gonna have a dry breast. We wanna really have a juicy breast. So make sure, if you wanna go up to 165 degrees, that is when it's fully done. I like to actually take mine off about 150 and let it come all the way up to 165 degrees. So we're gonna make sure I put 2 probes in here. Yes, you heard me right, 2 probes, because different parts of the breast are gonna cook differently. So we're gonna try to find the thickest part. So I'm gonna stick one back here on this side, and then I'm gonna stick the other probe on this side. Now make sure they don't touch. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna stick them in. All right, and I'll see you guys outside. So put my turkey breast on the second row, so like that. See, I got the probes in on both ends, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna check it through the app to make sure, what I'm saying, the inner temperature still sticks around where I'm looking for. All right, you guys, so right here, stick it on the side. And one thing I like about it is the magnet. See how tough the magnet is. See, this would, pit bulls, I wish they had, say where the temperature's in the front, so they have to go to the side. But this works perfectly, you guys. So I'm gonna definitely look at the app and see what the temperature is. So when it comes to being done, you see right now it's just 61 degrees inside. But what we're gonna check for is when it gets close to 150 degrees. So let's check. All right, so I just took it out the smoker and set the temperature to about 145 degrees because I wanted to take it out and wrap it, so I'm about to get ready to melt down some butter and garlic, And I'm gonna wrap it in some foil and I'm gonna stick it in the oven on 350 degrees. All right, so we got to, I just put it in a pan. Got the garlic, butter. All you gotta do is, this is about 3 cloves of large garlic, you know, and butter. So butter gonna go great with this. So we're not gonna be mopping it on, we're just gonna slather it on and cover it up. You know, yep, that's all gonna be to it. Oh, it smells great. Oh man. Alrighty. Not gonna add too much to it. You know, I'm gonna leave the probes in there, and then we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, show you how it works in the oven as well. All right, you guys. Let's cover that. And get it in the oven. Make sure that when you do have your probes in here, that they're not in the way. And so you can still be able to, you know, use the probes on the outside of the oven. All right, so I'll see you over at the oven. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to stick it in the oven. Put it on the top shelf. Oops. Yeah, I got the shaking. There we go. Temperature on 350 degrees. Make sure that the wires are still sticking out. And we're gonna look for an inner temperature of 155. Sorry, so when we get that, I already have set it to get to that point, and we're gonna take them out, and it's gonna be done, you guys. You know, some people always do it at about, you know, saying 160, 165, and stuff like that. I like to actually take it out about 155, you know, 157, because the temperature always seems to rise. So I want to get that mark of 160, and that's it, you guys. I'm not gonna go up to 165 to overcook it. So sorry for over talking it, but this is how you make a perfect, juicy, tender turkey breast. See you in a minute. All right, so it's around 160. I took it out at 155, and we see the temperature is going up. So that's why I said, you know what I'm saying, actually set it at 155 to go to alarm, and then take it out. It's going to continue to rise. So all right, so let's get over to slicing it up. All right, so we're going to get ready to slice up this turkey breast. You know, I'm not going to slice it up fully, but I'm going to show you, you know, how tender it is. What I did was, before cutting it up, I decided to let it rest for about a good, you know, 15 minutes. So all the juices can go back into it. I'm going to slice it up and show you how juicy it is. Man, this bad boy looks real juicy. Make sure I cut it all the way through. Now, you see that, guys? Now you can't tell me that ain't juicy through and through. See a little smoke ring and everything like that? See, it's even dripping. That's how juicy it is. So let's take a taste test. Man, it's hitting, guys. It is on point. You guys, now, I'm telling you, I encourage you to follow my, you know what I'm saying, recipe. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed it. I know I did. Now, you can do it without the skin. But see, for me, I like to keep the skin on there because it encases it like it's foil or like it's a wrap, and it keeps the moisture all inside. And so this came out really excellent. The garlic, everything, you know what I'm saying, is still juicy. So I told you, this is one way to make a perfectly juicy turkey breast for your guests, you guys, for your family, for company coming over, or even just for you. So you can do this in the oven, as well as you can do this in a smoker, or even on a grill. Follow the methods, you know, and it's gonna come out perfect. I'm your Chef KC. Thanks for coming by. And always, my motto is food feeds the soul, you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'm about to get ready to put this back in and slice it up later. All right, but I'm about to get my eat on. See you later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Talk to you later.
If you're interested in this product, be sure to check out my unbox review. If you'd like to win one, be sure to definitely check it out for the details. See you in the next one.